Hello students, welcome to PLK Computers or YouTube channel. In this tutorial video, we are going to discuss about how to create a table from scratch. Okay, so we have question given here. Okay, in this way you will get the question, my dear students. Okay, so one by one is step I am going to follow. Okay, so before before understanding this one, we have to open MS Access. Okay, so go to run box, and if you type MS Access, okay, together MS Access, assume it is single word. Okay, so like this a screen will come, my dear students. Okay, so let me minimize little bit. Okay, so both thing we can look at once. Okay students, so it is coming like this. Okay, so create a database school. Okay, so what is database name? School. So I will write here school. Okay, school, school. Then I will click on create. Okay, so after that you can check students. Okay, so I have here school database. Okay, I'm using access 2007. Okay, my dear students, create a table student with following fields. Okay, especially this will not give in examination. Okay, so creating a table we have to use design view, whereas to enter data we prefer data sheet view. Okay, so you can look here, we have here a view. If I will click here, two things you will, so data sheet and design view. Now if you look here, so in data sheet view it is orange color shaded. Okay, so it is data sheet view. So for this one making design view will be okay. So I will suggest you, so I will click here. So what is our table name? So student, 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 then okay. So when you will do this one, okay, my dear students, okay, so this is data type. Okay, so in table we have here field name, data type, and description. Okay, my dear student, so we have here field name student id, auto number is, it's okay. My dear student, this is primary key. Okay, so make student id as primary key. Primary key means it will it can't be left blank. It means it will not support null value, nor it will support duplicate. Okay, so student id, it should be individual for everyone. After that is student name. So student name, so this is text, correct? Okay, my dear student, in 2013 version access, it will have here short text. Okay, for this text, so in updated version, so you can use, if you have latest version you can add short text. After that we have here class, and class, where here we have number. So if you click here, you can get it here from number. Okay, next we have here English, 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 number. Next is Nepali. If you press N from keyboard also it will come here, otherwise you can click here and you can select which one you feel better. Next is computer. Okay, so computer is also number. Okay, I have created this one. So make student id already make. Okay, if you select like this, and if you right click one time it will be deselected. Okay, cancel another. Okay, if you again click it will be same. Okay, my dear students, set caption English mark, Nepali mark, and computer mark. Okay, caption. So for English I will click here, so we have here caption, so I will write here English mark. Okay, So caption is alternate name for field, okay, and the label for the field when used on a form. If you don't enter a caption, the field name is used as the label, okay. So caption you have to set for English mark, and for this what caption you have to set? Nepali mark. Then finally here it is computer mark. Fine. Set default value 10 for class field class. Your class, what we have to write here, field where it is default value automatically, or value that is automatically entered in the field for new records, okay. So 10. Set the validation rule, okay, for the marks should be greater than 0 and less than equal to 100, okay. So for marks, okay, we have here validation rule, so it should be greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 100. Similarly for Nepali also, marks should be validation rule greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 100. Similarly for computer also, validation rule greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 100. So we have set this uh, validation rule for the marks. Set the validation text, okay. So validation text means when we uh, violate the rule, it will be give alert message. So enter the marks between 0 to 100, okay. For Nepali also, what validation? Enter the marks between 0 to 100. Similarly for English also, what will be validation text? Enter the marks between 0 to 100, okay. Now you can save from here also, otherwise if you here if you take the mouse pointer here and click right click, you can save it, okay. After save we can close it, okay. Now enter any 5 data in, okay. So if you click it, select left click, then right click, we have here open design view. So design view already done. Now data sheet view, okay. So it will come like this, or you can select from here also. So this is the design view. Again, if you go view, data sheet view. So we have to put 5 data, okay. So I will make it big, so this work already we have done, okay. So student ID auto number, automatically it will come, okay. So I will write here name name Amir Tamang, okay. Class 10 default value automatically it is coming. English marks, if you write here -10 and I will click here, so unable to proceed, okay. Why? Microsoft X enter the marks between 0 to 100. Typing mistake, my dear friends. So it should be the, let me correct this one. So design view, okay. So let me put here at first value, okay. Suppose 50, then only we can go here. So design view, in English enter the marks, okay. Again I will save it and I will go in data sheet view. Nepali marks, if I will write here 101, okay. Warning message, okay. So validation text, it will give the message what enter the marks between 0 to 100, okay. So we can write 0. Similarly suppose 75, okay, it is good. Let me write here 40. In this way, if I will write another name, this auto number will be automatically increased. Suppose next name is Srishti KC. Okay, so automatically coming here, class default value coming. Okay, then English marks, so this is dummy. Okay, so here 50, this is 80, so we have to keep 5 record. Okay, then next name Sir Bogya Khati Wada. Okay, so unable to look, so how to adjust it? Okay, if you write sorry, no, double click, it will be automatically adjusted. Okay, or you can adjust like this also. English marks 75, 80, 90. Okay, next name any name, Anish Sharma. Okay, 75, 50, 65. Okay, if I will write JPT marks, it will give allotment. Look, enter the marks between 100. Okay, like this it will come. Next, okay, any dominium, Arjin Gorkhali. Next, 85, 65, 89. Okay, in this way we can write. Okay, one more item I will write here, but I will tell you how to delete. Okay, so ABC 30. Okay, so we have here this much data. Okay, my dear students. Okay, so we don't need this one. If we have to delete it, what we'll do, just we'll select it, then we'll right click it, then delete it. You are about to delete? Yes. So this ABC name, it was deleted. Okay, in this way you can delete the data. Okay, next thing, if we need to arrange this in ascending order, okay, then what we have to do, just we have to select it. Okay, then sort A to Z. Okay, now Arjun, Amir, Anish, Sarvagya, so alphabetically it is corrected. Okay, in this way you can sort it. Okay, sorting can be either ascending or descending. Okay, next is filter. Okay, so filter and sorting, what is main difference? So in sorting, all data will be there, but for the filter, suppose I need the data for Sarvagya, then I will check it. Okay, so only the record which fulfill the criteria, that will come. Okay, toggle means off. Okay, so one time on, another time off, so this is toggle means on off. Okay, it is coming in ascending order because it is filled with orange color. Okay, shadow, so in this way you can understand, my dear students. Okay, so this is sorting and another filtering. Okay, once I will go in again in design view, my dear students, we have here field size. Okay, format. Okay, input mask, caption, default value. Okay, for like class default value I have set 10, validation rule between 0 to 100, validation text, and the required means yes or no. We have two options. Okay, if we say yes, okay, so compulsory we have to give. Okay, for example, currently this marks we have not make required yes. Okay, then what it will happen, just I will open it. Yes. Okay, just I will write here, suppose PLK, then another data I will write here, Purushottam. It is okay because we have not made this both required. Otherwise, we must fill the value, then only it will go in next. Okay, so required means that one. So English required, yes. Similarly, Nepali required, yes. In this way we can edit also. So this also required, yes. Then save it. Data integrity rules have been changed. Existing data may not be valid for new rules. Yes. Existing data violates the new setting for the required property for the fielding list because, yes, because no value I have written here. Okay, my dear students, it is coming in ascending order. Okay, so any dummy value I am writing here. Okay, now if I will write here any name like suppose ABC, and if I will go, you must enter a value in student English. So student means table name, dot English means in English field. Okay, any caption. Okay, my dear students, in it is writing English mark. We have set the caption before. Okay, okay, just I will. Okay, we have to enter valid data. Okay, now I will delete this one. So delete. Yes, this data also in this way you can, yes. Okay, so in this way we can add, it is in ascending order, that's why. Okay, it is coming in ascending order, my dear student. So we have here um, 5 data, so 1 of 5 data it is coming here. So validation text, datasheet view, next delete also I have told you, sorting also I told you, my dear students. Filtering also you can filter that. Okay, data adjusting column, another how to column width. If you select this one and right click, so you can check here, yeah, here field width. Okay, it is 11.75. Okay, like if 12. Okay, so it is little bit extended. In this way you can extend the, so 11.75 it is coming here, my dear students. Okay, so according to your necessity 14. Okay, so it is more space coming, we don't need this much, so right click fill width, we can write here 10. Okay, in this way you can write it, adjust this column width. Next is if you select this field, we can this hide and unhide fields. Okay, so hide, it will disappear. Okay, my dear students, so unhide fields, which field you want to unhide, so English, so you select English. Okay, so in this way it is coming. Another is freeze field. Okay, freeze means it will come fix. Okay, so suppose if I do here freeze fields. Okay, so in left side it will come in all fields, how much data will slide from this way, but this will be fixed. Okay, and how to unfreeze, so unfreeze all fields. Freeze fields, then unfreeze fields. Okay, in this way freeze and unfreeze field. Similarly row height also, how to, if you select here and if you right click here, then you have here this row height. Okay, so standard height 14 points, so if you decrease, if you make it 20. Okay, so you can, okay, so now it is increased. Okay, then previously. Okay, in this way you can set the row height also. Okay, so this much in as ms access table. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe PLK Computers. Thank you very much.